Keon, get on the ground.
Just before 6 p.m. on June 7th, 2026, Jacksonville Sheriff's Office officers responded to a report of an armed domestic dispute at a home on Klein Road East in Jacksonville, Florida.
Okay, what's going on there?
Yeah, he got out his gun on my husband.
He pulled a gun on your husband?
Yeah.
Okay?
Why you got the gun out on him?
Because they told us that you pointed a gun at him.
Because he was finna fight.
Okay, listen. All we want to do is talk. All we want to do is talk. Okay? All we want to do is talk. That's right. I don't want to hurt you. You don't want to hurt me, right?
Yep.
Okay, great. All we want to do is talk.
Crazy as
Okay, all we want to do is talk.
Okay, what's up?
Okay?
About what? I ain't did nothing.
Okay, and we
He
didn't.
came up.
Okay.
I tell him what's up, and I went in.
Okay, that's fine.
So what?
We have to figure that out.
Okay.
Okay? Do not reach for anything.
We gonna die if some around, boy.
Okay, let's not have that happen.
Alright.
All right.
Clip.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you want to talk about? Because my betrayal is deep. I don't care what. What do you want to talk about, bro?
Okay, I want to talk about why we're here. Okay?
Why are you? I'm on the game. Huh?
Okay.
What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about why we're here.
I'm on the game.
Okay? Before we can move any further, okay, we're not going to have the discussion like this.
Well, you the one who do you mean?
We've been like this,
I
right?
don't even know why the here.
Okay,
Jimmy.
not Jimmy. Keon.
I'm talking to you.
Okay, I'm talking to you, all right?
What do you want? Why you got guns on me? Because we can all go down.
Okay,
You know they
okay,
right?
do not reach.
What up?
Do not reach for anything, okay? I'm telling you, do not reach, okay?
Headshots. Okay, so what's up?
Okay, I'm telling you,
What's going down though when you after you talk though? I want to know that.
we're going to figure out where we're at. And if you haven't done anything wrong, which is great, you'll be on your way, okay?
Here to play my game.
Okay,
Because we ain't going nowhere.
okay. So at this point, here's what we're going to do,
What we gonna do?
right?
Because if we down, let's go out here. Let's show
No.
Let's show what. Let's do it. Let's go.
Cover.
You want to do it? Let's go.
Hey, gun.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Leslie, get on the ground now!
This is not what we want to do.
What are you doing?
We don't
Why I
want
gotta
to do
get
that.
on
We do not want to hurt you, okay?
Why I gotta get on the ground? Why? I didn't do
Keon.
nothing.
Keon, get on the ground. Tase him, tase him.
Cover.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Nope.
Stop.
Hey, Weasel Jake.
Yeah. All right.
HQ, Foxtrot 356, got one suspect with GSWs. Start rescue 1068. All officers are 77.
Hey.
Yes.
Queen, hey, when you check yourself.
I'm fine.
I don't know if you shot or not. It was kind of quick.
Yeah.
Let's go out here. Let's show
No.
What? That you won't do it, nigga.
Hold, cover.
You want to do it? Let's go.
He's gonna kill him. He's gonna cover. Heavy. Go on. Oh. Hey, gun. Drop it, Keon. Drop it.
Now.
Drop it. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Less lethal.
Leslie. Get on the
Keon,
ground.
if you reach,
now.
man, this is not what we want to do.
What are you doing?
We don't want to do this.
We do not
We
want to
do-
hurt
less
you,
lethal.
okay?
Why I gotta get on the ground? Why? I didn't do
Keon, get on the ground.
Tase him.
Cover.
Leslie, get on the ground. Now.
That's not what we want to do.
You
don't want to do that.
I do not want to hurt you, okay?
Why I got on the ground? Why? I didn't do
Keon,
that.
get on the ground.
Tase him.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Keon Atkinson, 22, was struck multiple times and transported to a local hospital in critical condition. Atkinson's condition has since been upgraded to stable, and once discharged, will be booked into the Duval County Jail. Atkinson faces 1 count of aggravated assault on a person 65 years of age or older and 3 counts of attempted murder of a law enforcement officer. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office also revealed that dispatchers had responded to 8 previous mental health-related calls involving Atkinson's residence before this incident. The shooting marked the first officer-involved shooting in the careers of all 3 officers involved. The state attorney's office will independently review the legality of the use of force. Once that review is complete, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office will conduct an internal investigation to determine whether department policies were followed. Both reviews remain pending.